You can now move on to the topic test section. The topic test section may or may not be available to you depending on the course you're in. If it is available, you can assess yourself on the same topic that you practiced earlier in Gap Fixer. The structure is the same as Gap Fixer. You will see the topic tree. Select the topic you want to start with and then click on it. You will then see the list of available tests. These are exam-specific topic tests with exam-specific type of question, marking pattern, difficulty level, time. After selecting the one you want, click on Start, and a pop-up will appear showing total number of questions, total time, total marks, marks for correct answers, marks deducted for incorrect answers, and marks for unattempted questions. After reviewing these, click Start Now. Now, you'll see the questions on the left panel and the question numbers on the right side, just like Gap Fixer. At the top right corner, you'll also see the time limit of the test. After completing all questions, click the Submit button, and you'll again see the options to submit now or save and continue later. Once you click Submit Now, your report will appear, showing your performance summary along with a progress slide bar. This slide bar will tell you if you can move on to the next step or if you need to improve more before continuing. Once you reach the benchmark and your slide bar turns green, you can move to the next step.